Hello and welcome to our channel where we bring you the latest news and update from the world of finance. In today's videos, we will be discussing trading for beginners and explaining the full concept. Now moves on our topic without wasting time. Trading is the art of buying and selling financial instruments such as stocks, bonding, commodities, currencies, and derivatives with the aim of making a profit. It is a popular way for individuals to invest their money and potentially earn a high return on their investment. Okay, that is our trading. The first step in trading is to open a trading account with a broker. Next video I am explain which demat account broker is best with their advantage and disadvantage such as Zerodha, Angel One, Grow, etc. Such type of full-time broker and discount broker. A broker is a financial institution that act as an intermediary between buyers and sellers of financial instruments. There are many different brokers to choose from, each with their own fees, features and trading platform. Okay, once you have opened a trading account, you can begin to research and analyze financial instruments. This can be done by reading financial news, analyzing financial statement and using technical and fundamental analysis tool. Okay, those who doesn't know the basic of stock market, firstly see the video in description, and also basic term like NSE, National Stock Exchange, and BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange, and also technical analysis and fundamental analysis for beginners. We'll see, then move on this video. It's important, and also I am providing you a best playlist on the basic of stock market series using animation for better understanding purpose only. Now moves on our topic. When you are ready to buy or sell financial instruments, you will need to place an order with your broker. There are different types of orders such as market order, limit orders, stop orders, and trailing stop orders, each with their own advantages and disadvantages. It is important to note that trading involves risk and it is possible to lose money. It's important to have a solid understanding of the market and the financial instruments being traded before making any investment decision. Okay, you should also have a trading plan which included your goals, risk tolerance, entry and exit point that are very important in market, and money management is also important strategy and risk management. Okay, now let's move on our conclusion, that is the video conclusion. Trading is a popular way for individuals to invest their money and potentially earn a return on their investment. Okay, by opening a trading account that will be discussed in next videos, researching and analyzing the stock market, right?